What is powerquery? powerquery is, in essence, a powerful addition to Microsoft Excel and Power BI that facilitates advanced data manipulation. powerquery simplifies complex data transformations and helps you automate your workflow. It's a potent ETL tool that lets you extract, transform, and load data with just a few clicks. At its core, powerquery enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks. You can merge data from various sources, clean it, and reshape it, all without writing a single line of code, thanks to the intuitive M formula language. In Power BI, powerquery is vital for creating complex data models that fuel your analytics. It's not just about importing data, it's about transforming it into insights. powerquery supports a wide array of data sources, from local Excel files to cloud-based databases and even web APIs. One of powerquery's most significant features is its ability to automate updates. Set up your data transformations once and refresh them automatically with new data as often as needed. For those who love control, the M language provides the flexibility to write precise data transformation scripts. The M language, specifically designed for data operations, allows you to craft detailed scripts that perform exactly the operations you need. Moreover, with this powerful scripting language at your disposal, you can automate nearly every aspect of your data processing tasks. This means not only enhanced efficiency, but also increased consistency in your data outputs. Whether you're working in Excel or Power BI, powerquery provides a consistent and powerful environment for data preparation, ensuring that you can focus on delivering more valuable insights faster. After processing data with powerquery, the next step is visualization. Power BI allows you to turn that clean, structured data into compelling visual stories that communicate your findings effectively. Imagine updating entire dashboards with just one click. powerquery's integration with Power BI make this a reality, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your analytical capabilities. Without a doubt, powerquery is an indispensable tool for data transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other content. We create videos for professionals like you. We also want to invite you to explore BI Connector, the best solution to connect Power BI or Tableau to Oracle Fusion Analytics. Explore BI Connector and take your analytics to the next level. More information in the description below. See you next time.